Hi guys, I just thought I'd put a little update out for you. We're in lockdown, I'm bored, there's not a lot we can do at the moment, so I thought I'd let you know what's happening with the Mini, well with Annie certainly, the Mini 30. So here's where we're at. This is a hub for the driver's side, and I've stripped out the ball joints from it, even cleaned them up, and to be fair, the ball joints are not too bad, but I've got a new kit, so that'll be going in. That ball joint came out without a problem, you know, that practically fell off, that never fought at all, unlike the passenger side. But to be fair, the passenger side is the side that runs in the gutter, and all the water hits that side of the car. The wheel bearings that were in this hub, they've not been in it long, and they are Timkins. I've taken the grease out of them, cleaned them up, so I may just reuse them. Even the seals are still brand new. The only thing that was missing was the front grease seal on it. That was missing, so that'll need to get replaced. I do have a full kit for it, so I might just chance putting the bearings back in, because like I say, the bearings look practically brand new. The caliper here, I have painted them. I've given them a rub down and painted them, and to be fair, they're not too bad, but because I've now been furlonged, or furloughed is it called, I've got another week in my holiday, and then after that I'm furloughed for 3 weeks. I just thought, bugger it, I'll just buy a rebuild kit and rebuild them. I wasn't planning on rebuilding the calipers just now, but because I'm in the house and there's nothing else to do, I just ordered a kit, and that should be here hopefully midweek, if all goes well. I've already done a video on painting the calipers, but like I say, I wasn't planning on refurbishing them with new seals and pistons and all that. So I'll still put that video out, but I'll put it out after I've rebuilt the caliper. So yeah, I'll strip that apart, and I'll fit new seals and pistons to it. This is a hub for the driver's side. That's all been cleaned and painted, which you would have seen a few videos ago. That's sitting there waiting to go back on the car. The discs and pads and shockeys, I'm still waiting on them coming from Euro Car Parts, so hopefully they will be here this week. I'm hoping that they'll be here tomorrow, actually, on Monday, but we'll wait and see. I'll need to get these drive flanges cleaned up anyway, and get them painted up as well. So again, I'll need to wait for the paint to come before I can do that. It's just a waiting game at the moment. There's not much more I can do about it. I've still got the sender unit here to fit, and the boot seal, but again, there's no rush for them. I'll need to wait until the car's back on the ground and on wheels, so I can wheel it forward to get into the boot to fit the sender unit. Well, that's where we're at the moment. There's not really much more I can do until the parts arrive. Hopefully all the parts will be here this week that I need to crack on with the car. I really want to get the hubs and the discs and what have you all back on the car, so I can get it back down on its wheels, and then we can maybe move on to do the fuel sender unit and a few other bits and pieces. I'm struggling for paint at the moment. I could really do with paint. I've got a set of wheel arches that DB kindly gifted me. I'd like to get them painted up and fitted to the car, but I don't have the correct paint for it, and the paint that I really want is 2K, so I can put it in the gun and paint them up that way. I'd rather do it that way than with aerosols. It'll be far cheaper than using rattle cans, and obviously the finish should be a lot better as well. So there's not really much I can do at the moment until the parts arrive, but as soon as the parts arrive I'll try and rattle up another video and get that out. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, I've noticed from the analytics that 78% of the views on the channel are from non-subscribers. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button and ding that little bell thingy. That way you'll get updated as soon as I upload a video, and you won't be left behind. Anyway guys, I'll catch you later, and remember, stay safe.